Are you sure you want to?
What does predefined mean in these sentences?
An emoji with glasses that says exceptional.
Lots of words have define in them. Move the slider to see some examples.
What's next? Let's explore a new word. Tap the word to see its word family. Use the meaning of the base word purpose to understand words in this word family. Do you know what the word purpose means? If you know, tap the correct answer. If you don't, tap I don't know.
Purpose means, it's not a mistake, a surprise, a reason.
You got it. A purpose is a reason or a use for something. Ready for a challenge? These questions will be scored. You only get one try. What does purposely mean? Make a word that describes someone who does something for a very clear reason. Make a word that means to use again in a new way. Repurpose. Make a word that means without a reason. Purposeless. What does purposefully mean in these sentences?
Purposefully means a certain reason in this sentence.
What does repurposed mean in these sentences?
So, guys, proposed in the sentences means this, I think.
Purpose is a part of so many useful words. Move the slider to see some examples. Nice job. You received 20 coins.
Yo! We received 20 coins! And we got 67%! We did!
When you read an unfamiliar word, Look around the word for clues to its meaning. What does lack mean in this passage? Look around the word lack for clues that help you understand its meaning.
Busca cerca de la palabra pistas que te ayuden a comprender su significado.
Look around the word for clues that help you understand its meaning.
Excuse me. Okay. To not like things, to be good, have something, to not have something.
Look at the meaning of lack in the chart. Which clues help you understand what lack means? A clue can hint at the meaning of the word by showing a contrast. Which clues show a contrast to lack? Words such as but and instead of can be hints that a word with an opposite meaning is nearby. Which clue includes the word but? A clue can hint at the meaning of the word by showing a contrast. Words such as but and instead of can be hints that a word with an opposite meaning is nearby. Look at the meaning of lack in the chart. Which clues help you understand what lack? Look at the meaning of lack in the chart. Which clues help you understand what lack means? Word, lack. Clues.
But had plenty.
Meaning, to not have something.
A book's pages are flipped through.
What does immense mean in this passage? Look around the word immense for a clue that helps you understand its meaning. Reread the paragraph to find clues to the meaning of immense.
Immense means a large amount.
An emoji with glasses that says outstanding.
Look at the meaning of immense in the chart. Which clues help you understand what immense means? Try looking for an example that can help you understand the meaning of immense. Look after immense for an example that can help explain what the word means.
A book's pages are flipped through.
Look at the meaning of progress in the chart. Which clues help you understand what progress means?
An emoji with glasses that says marvelous. A book's pages are flipped through.
Complete the chart. What does increase mean in this passage? Look at the highlighted clue in the passage. Are you sure you...
Please subscribe. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe. And that's it.